In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify bank account in Etsy. Verifying your bank account is essential for receiving payouts smoothly and securely, and doing it once the right way helps you avoid delays and frustrating errors later. I'll walk you through the process from your Etsy shop dashboard and point out what to look for along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Etsy.com. Sign into your seller account using your usual credentials. After you log in, you'll land in your shop dashboard, also known as Shop Manager. This is where you manage listings, orders, messages, and the financial side of your shop. From the left-hand menu in your dashboard, select Finances. And the Finances area is your hub for anything related to money moving in and out of your shop. It's designed to help you track sales, fees, and payouts at a glance. So it's the right place to check in on your earnings and what's on the way to your bank. Within Finances, click Payment Account. This page gives you a detailed overview of your shop's financial activity. You'll see information such as deposits, fees, and your current balance. You might also see a scheduled payout date or recent transactions, which makes it easy to understand what you've earned and what's pending. This is the central place Etsy uses to manage all seller payments. If your bank account isn't verified yet, look for a prompt or banner asking you to verify your bank information or an option to add or confirm your bank details. When you enter your bank information, take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the account holder name matches what your bank has on file, confirm the account and routing numbers, or IBAN and other region-specific details, and verify your address if requested. Small typos can cause big delays, so it's worth reviewing carefully before you continue. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Etsy will guide you through any security checks needed for your country, and you'll see what's required right on the page. Once your information is verified, you'll see confirmation in your payment account area. At that point, Etsy can securely deposit your earnings into your bank account, and your payouts will process without interruptions. You can return to the payment account page anytime to monitor deposits, fees, and your current balance, so you always know what's coming next. That's all there is to it. You've successfully verified your bank account on Etsy, setting up your shop for smooth, timely, and secure payments.